नमस्कार. RDX गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां सगळ्यांक दिपाली नायकाचो येवकार. सरकारान दर्यादेग वेवस्थापन आराखडो पयलींच रद्द केल्लो आसा. लोकांक घेवनच हो आराखडो तयार करतले. ह्या आराखड्या खातीर लोकांकडल्यान सुचोवण्यो मागोवपाक सुरवात केल्ली आसा. लोकांच्यो सुचोवण्यो केंद्रीय पर्यावरण खात्या कडेन धाडटले म्हण माहिती पर्यावरण मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान दिल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
This is the plan of Salsett Taluka, which was not part of the presentation. I'm telling you again. I'm telling you, please write it. This was not part of the presentation. Presentation was 2011 notification. This was kept at the side down for people to see what it is, what is what. This is the way. This is 1:4,000. This is 1:4,000. There is another red plan also. One more red plan which was prepared by Manohar Bhai Parrikar paid extra to make this plan 1:4,000, and the plan originally which was sent by the NCSA was 1:25,000. We rejected this plan first. Presentation. What we were supposed to do in Revenue Bhavan Madgaon. आणि हो जो मडगांव व्यवस्था केली आणि व्यवस्था आम्ही चालू दवरली. आम्ही प्रेजेंटेशन जे आशिल्ले इट वॉज फॉर द पीपल टू अंडरस्टँड वॉट CZMPA मिन्स आणि वॉट यू कॅन सजेस्ट एंड वॉट वी कॅन डू. आमचे प्रेजेंटेशन चालू आशिल्ले, फाटल्यान लोक बोर्ड मारताले आणि दे वे शाउटिंग स्लोगन्स. सो मे बी दे कॅन नॉट हियर, बट आवर बेसिक प्रेजेंटेशन वॉट वॉज देयर, वी फिनिश द स्लाइड्स. वी केम टू आस्क पब्लीक उलोवपाक, म्हणजे दाखोवपाक, आणि सम वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट म्हाका खबर ना कोण ते, बट आय फील हांवें पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे, ऑपोजिशन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे खुबशे लोक हांवें पळयले फुडल्यान. म्हाका दिसता लोक जर प्रेस भाव जर व्हिडिओ रिकॉर्डिंग जर लोकांक दाखयले टीव्हीचेर, तेय आयडेंटिफाय लोकूय करूं शकता. हांवें सांगलें म्हण जायना, हांव नांवां कोणाची घेयना, कितें अनड्यू पब्लिसिटी म्हाका दिवपाची ना. So there were people of opposite political parties, different parties, not one, different parties, who were raising voices against me for no reason. Even though this is not part of the procedure, see, हे जे आम्ही आसा परतून लोकांक सांगत आसा, असेंब्लीन सांगले, सगळ्याक सांगले, एवरी प्रेजेंटेशन आसा, दिस इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसिजर. हे इवन म्हणटा स्क्रॅप कर म्हणटा प्लॅन. अरे स्क्रॅप कसो करपाचो? आय एम नॉट. Scrap is, as authority, as environment minister, I have sent the plan back to CRZ. CRZ has taken their body with my comments. I had sent that people are not happy, and it is sent back to NCSM. I have been telling this again and again. Again and again I have been telling. सगळ्यांक सांगता, इतली प्रेजेंटेशनां सांगली, म्हणजे 4-5 प्रेजेंटेशनां कंप्लीट जाली. तर सगळे प्रेजेंटेशन हेच सांगला आतां सांगपाक जाय म्हणून ना. पूण खंय तरी हे पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट ऑर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी लिडर्स ऑर जे थोडे एक्टिविस्ट who do not want to see the interests of Goa and Goans, म्हाका दिसता हे मिसगायड करता लोकांक. नंबर वन. सो दॅट इज वाय आमचे जे खाजन लँड, आमचे जे बॉन्ड्स मोडलेले आहा आणि उदक जे भितर सडलेले आहा, पयलींचे प्लॅनान हे CRZ दाखोवन आशिल्ले. आतांच्या प्लॅनान दाखोवंक पडटा, कित्याक 2011 notification says so that wherever there is 5 PPT, 5 particles per thousand in any part of the land, it will be part of the CRZ land. It will be part of the river with 5 PPT concentration, and from there it will be 100 meters again. So what I am trying to say is this has to be corrected, but simply playing with slogans आडले, मजेर उलयले, मजेर वायट उतरां उलयली is not a solution. Let us sit across the table, find solutions. I am for you. What is this seat? This seat is your seat, not my seat. I am not here to come permanently, but whenever I am there here now, I will do something for the people of Goa, which nobody had done for so many years. लोकांनी मातशें हांव लोकांक म्हणटा, let me give me an opportunity to the people's plan of Goa. As you have said, I am telling you, once we prepare what people are telling us, because see, we don't have all documents. This is the only document. I can't prepare a plan on this. So people should tell that this is not missing, this is there, that is there. You give me in writing. Then when I come back to the panchayat, I will have it all corrected. And we will prepare the corrected plan scientifically. जेन्ना scientifically आम्ही करता, आमकडे plan असतो लोकांक दाखोवपाक.